So, my name's Teresa, and for those that don't know, I have a channel on YouTube, and it's to help foster kids or anybody who's newly single or just needs a friendly reminder of these great products that we have out there. Now, we have this electric knife. How many of you are getting older, like myself? I turned 50 this year, have trouble with their wrists cutting the meats. Well, you know, with me talking to heaven, that's where the Heavenologist comes in. And my father reminding me, Cookie, do you remember we used to use that knife? Now I'm going to go ahead and put this in like so. You got to push the button down. All right. Let me focus. Might be two videos, not sure. Push that down. Slide it in. Okay. So I got it in there. Always double check. Always double check. All right. Two different sizes. And then I haven't used this yet. I thought it'd be comical if I try it on here. And then always behind like a regular knife. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Stand behind it. And then, you know, to your thickness that you like it. Wow. Look at that. And then you bag it up in a freezer bag. Woo! Much easier on Amazon.